Okay, here's a look at the E-mini S&P for Tuesday, July the 20th, 2010. And on yesterday's video, I'd mentioned that this low here around 59, we wanted to monitor to see how it did. And the next area down of potential support was 54. And by the way, these are our market profiles. This is today's profile with its accompanying volume profile is what occurred overnight, and this was yesterday's profile, Monday's profile. So we like to use these market profiles so we can get a better handle on the day-to-day action, the intraday auction direction, whether it's up, down, sideways, up, down, or sideways. And we also use it within the day to give us some clues as to the strength of and or weakness of the initiative or responsive buying and selling within the market itself. So um, we knew the next level up was around 76. That was an area that we estimated would be potential resistance. So the market had a pretty good head of steam after it went down. You can see in the overnight session it did dip below 54. It got down to 50.75, but it hit that level right at the open. This is the open of the regular trading hours right here, and more or less bought up the entire day. Had a really nice strong rally. So um, we're looking at for a bit of a pullback before it continues higher. We're looking around 86 as the next target on the upside, um, and on support on the downside. We really think that the support should hold around 72, right around here. So this is really the sort of the estimated range, at least initially tomorrow. Ben Bernanke from the Fed will be speaking, so anything could happen, depending on what he has to say. So the next area above that 86 would bring us up into around the 94 area as the next likely area of resistance. So that's really what we're looking at right now. And then the next one after that is all the way up to 1110. Uh, so as far as our trades were concerned today, well, this is the regular trading hours profiles here. But as far as our trades were concerned today, you can see our, here's the arrows that show you where we tried to and did get long or short. So we had a number of another number of arrows and trades today. So this first trade was a long trade. Worked out very nicely. Um, Getting long in here, it immediately jumped up 0.75 for us. So hitting our first two objectives, and then stopped at a break even on the final. But you can see it then had that next leg up and came back down and hit that same support area where we got long here. Came back up. Um, this trade and this trade were losers, but you can see we were in the green filter. And after a test of the known support down here at 54, most of our traders would not be taking that trade. This trade here actually hit the first objective. This trade here, you can see this dotted blue line going all the way across right to the end of the day. That means we didn't get filled on this. It never pulled back to that long entry. However, this trade did here. It gave us a great fill right there. Market almost immediately jumped a little over 3.25 points for us. So worst case scenario would be hitting our first and second objective, and on the final 1/4 of that position, at least a 1 point gain. This short trade here, very late in the day, and also against the green filter, so not taking that trade there. So um, on the whole, it was a day that, to some degree, I would have to say, ended the down auction that we have been part of, and would at least put this auction now into more of a sideways or up slight bias. And so that's what we're looking at with the market potentially getting down into around the 71 area to find some support. It should find some support there. If it doesn't, then it could easily dip um, uh, down another 6 points or so. So that's really what we're looking at as far as support goes. And then the other area is 86.93 and 11.10 on the upside. So that's a quick look at the market through the eyes of E-mini Day Trader. Any questions or comments, just give us a holler. You can always check out how this software works in real time if you want to get a better look at it. So thanks for taking the time to view the video, and we'll see you again tomorrow.